Okay, here's a video for Objective 20. We're in the money textbook. Again, so if you don't have that by you, hit pause, go grab your money textbook. When you have it, go to page 31. Objective 20, calculate the costs of an order including shipping costs. Um, so this is a good objective to know in real life. Basically, to know if something has some extra costs that maybe you're not thinking about. I know there's a lot of things out there that have free shipping, and if you're on Amazon Prime or some Walmart stuff and things like that. But not everything you order is always going to have free shipping, and there's different ways that they charge for shipping, and even if it's not shipping, this information can be useful to help figure out additional charges for different things. In this case, it is going to deal with shipping costs, but um, let's go through. There's 6 problems here. The math of these problems isn't necessarily going to be um, very difficult. It's making sure that you get the right information. Okay, it's basically going to be add, subtract, multiply, and divide, but there's just making sure you have the right numbers. So let's take a look at number 63. They ordered 2 pairs of shoes from a catalog. The shoes cost $53.99 and $76.95. In addition, there is a shipping fee shown on the table. If priority mail is selected, what is the total cost of the shoes plus shipping? Okay, so the first thing I did was I found what the total of the shoes were. So right here, okay, the 2 pairs of shoes is that adds up to this $130.94. So that's the 2 shoes together. Okay, the next thing we need to do is look at what the shipping costs will be. Okay, first they say we're going to use priority mail. So we don't have to worry about any of these other lines. We don't worry about any of this other choices. Okay, in real life, you might want to think about what, how quick do you need this or something. Do you really need it next day? Or basic shipping that might take a couple weeks. So where are you at as far as your need? With priority mail, it says, okay, the first pair costs $19.95, and per additional pair, it's $8, meaning shipping's for sure going to be $19.95, and that gets you 1 pair of shoes shipped. Every pair of shoes after that is $8. So the second pair would be $8. If you had a third pair, that'd be another 8. Fourth pair would be another 8, and so on. So to find the total cost, we have the cost of the shoes, which from above, the $130.94. The first pair to ship costs $19.95, which nowadays is a very high price. Even if they charge shipping, it's usually not going to be that. And then the second pair is $8. Okay, and all we do is add those prices up, and there's a total of $158.89. Okay. Next problem, they ordered 2 shirts from an online clothing store. The shirts cost $15.96 and $13.44. The web page asks the customer to select the type of shipment from several options. He decides to have them shipped overnight. Okay, what is the total cost of the shirts plus shipping charges? Okay, so this one doesn't go based on how many items you have. It's going to be based on your order subtotal. So first thing, he's buying 2 shirts. So just like the last problem, take the 2 items, add them up. This is your subtotal, $29.40. Okay. The last problem went on how many pairs of shoes you bought. This one, the shipping is going to be based on your subtotal. So the subtotal is $29.40. So you have to see where this fits in these categories. If it's a penny to $24.99, then these will be the shipping costs. It's not in those, so these are out. Okay, $29.40 comes in between here. And then anything over $49.99 would fit in this category, but we're not over that, so that's out. Okay. Then the next thing it says is he wants them shipped overnight. So when we're in this price range, there's 4 shipping options. Standard delivery, he didn't want that, so it's not that. Third day, nope. Second day, nope. And so he wants it overnight, which it costs $29.95 for shipping. So the total cost, we have $29.40 for the subtotal. We found the shipping is going to be $29.95. Add them up, $59.35. So this is just an example showing where shipping costs can really get you. So if you plan ahead and order things in advance, you could see it would only cost $9.95 for shipping, $20 more to get it overnight. So next page. Says they order a travel bed and a digital thermometer for the baby they are expecting. The travel bed costs $57.95 and weighs 4.75 pounds. The digital thermometer costs $23.99 and weighs 1.75 pounds. They choose the quickest delivery possible. Okay, that's going to be important. The shipping charges are based on total weight, so I underline that, of the items and speed of delivery. So the cost isn't going to matter for the shipping part of this. And that's shown in this table. What is the total cost of the order, including shipping? Okay, so my total cost is going to be here, and I do have the price of the travel bed and the price of the thermometer. Okay, so the next price I need to figure out is the shipping. Now, since the shipping is based off of weight and speed of delivery, okay, we need to find those two things. They want the quickest delivery possible. So here's the 3 choices: 5 to 7 days, nope. So everything down this line is out. 3 days, that's not the quickest, so that's out. So everything down here is out. Okay, they want the quickest, which is a 2-day. Okay, then the next thing that's based off is the weight of their order. So that's why they gave the weights in the problem. The bed is 4.7 pounds or 75 pounds. The thermometer is 1.75 pounds. Add those up, the weight is 6.5 pounds. That puts us in this range, between 6 and 7 pounds. Okay, so we didn't want these 2 choices for delivery, so we go to this one out here, and they intersect at quickest delivery for this weight is $30 shipping, so that's where I get this third amount of money here. So the price of the bed plus the price of the thermometer plus the price of the shipping goes $111.94. Okay. 66 is very similar. They're ordering wheelchair accessories. He orders a water bottle holder. It's $27.68, and that is a pound. And a safety flag, which is $16.20. It's 2.5 pounds. The shipping charge is based on total weight of the order. And he selects 3rd day shipping. What is the total amount? Okay, so basically this is like the same problem. We have the cost of the water bottle holder. We have the cost of the flag. So those 2 costs are going to be involved. We need to find the 3rd cost, which is the shipping. We add the weight of the 2. And we add them up. It's 3.5 pounds. So that's going to land in this category. So I box, those are all the choices for between 3 and 4 pounds. But then he said that he's going to choose 3rd day air. So that's all the possible 3rd day air charges. Where they intersect is right here. $22.75 is 3rd cost. So the cost of the Water bottle holder, cost of the flag, cost of the shipping, add them up, $66.63. Okay. Number 67, I think we have just 2 problems here left, yep. So, taking health classes, she orders 4 textbooks that cost a total of $444.15 before shipping charges are added. Okay. Shipping charges include a charge for the order and then additional charge for each book. Okay. If she selects the delivery in 2 business days, what is the total cost of the textbooks including shipping? So, total cost of the textbooks, we for sure have is $444.15. Okay. Now, you always have to make sure you understand what is going on here with how they're charging. So, first of all, they want 2 business days, so we're not going to have 3 to 5 business days. So we're not going to use none of those numbers. We're not doing 1 business day, so we're not using any of these numbers. Okay, so this is just for the order. It doesn't matter how many items you have. It's going to cost $9.99 no matter what for shipping. So I'm going to do the shipping costs up here. We for sure have $9.99. Okay. Then per item, it's going to cost you $1.99. So make sure we had, I think in the first problem, it was per additional pair. It wasn't order and for every pair. It was the first pair and then each additional pair for those shoes. This is slightly different. It's similar but slightly different. $9.99 for the order, and then it's per every item, not additional, so for every one. And she ordered 4 textbooks. So 4 textbooks times $1.99 for each of them. Multiply those, it gives you $7.96. So $9.99 for the order, $7.96 because of the 4 times $1.99 gives you the $17.95 shipping. I bring that down. The cost of the books, the cost of the shipping adds up to $462.10. Okay. All right, last one. It says they just moved to assisted living community. From a catalog, she orders a fruit basket that costs $27.95. She also orders a second fruit basket that costs $77.95 for the other residents of the community. Now this is the key sentence, okay? And this gets a little different than any other problem in this objective. It says there is an individual shipping charge for each basket ordered. So it's not for there's not one shipping cost for the whole order. For every item, there's a separate cost. So it's not like some of the other problems where you either get a subtotal and the shipping's based off that, or the total weight. This problem is not like that. It says individual shipping charge for each basket order. So they're going to select 5-day delivery for both fruit baskets. So what that means is we don't have to worry about any of these numbers, any of these numbers, any of these numbers. Okay, we're looking at 5-day. Okay, it says what is the total cost of the fruit baskets including shipping. So again, we have the cost of the first fruit basket, cost of the second fruit basket. Those are here. Now we have to find the shipping for each one. Okay, so it's based on each order. Each basket you order has a different shipping cost. So, and that is based on the price of the basket. So the first one, $27.95, is between $25 and $50. Under 5-day delivery gives us this total of $7.95. So that's where this comes in. Then the other basket is $77.95. That's between $75 and $100. So for a 5-day delivery is $9.95. So there's the shipping right there. So we have the price of the 2 baskets, the shipping for each one of them. We add up all 4 of those things, we get $123.80. Okay. So that's objective 20. When you look at this, and you might think you're ready for the test right away. Otherwise, turn to your money workbook and looks like 6 problems here, 5 on this page, another one here, answers down below. Okay, give some of those a try. If you have a question, let me know. And I'll be looking for the next video soon. Thanks.